G'day there YouTubers. Today I'm going to show you how I light the briquettes with charcoal to use with my 10-inch Australian metal spinners steel camp oven. So here goes. Rightio guys, we're camped about 70 k's out of Karratha in Western Australia. I've got a beetroot can ready with a few holes in it, 6 to be precise. The holes are about half an inch up from the bottom, because that's got to hold some oil. I've got some briquettes ready, Weber briquettes. I bought them because they're on special, and I'll place roughly how many I need on the top of the camp oven, and I'll do the same. I'll put roughly how many I think I'll need on the underneath the camp oven. I'll put them on the top just for a visual display, and throw them all back into the chimney. I've got some oil, some cheap black and gold oil ready. I've already got some paper towels in the beetroot can. Tip a bit of oil in, not as much as I put in this time. I put way too much in, probably half a cup, probably plenty. Burns for a fair while, as you'll see in the video. Put the oil away from the fire. I'll just light this up now using another dirty old paper towel. It gets going pretty quick. It's pretty windy, so I wanted to get the chimney on it as quick as I could. Just sit that there. This will take about half an hour to light properly. After 5 minutes, you can see that it started burning down the bottom.
Oil's still burning.
And then after 15 minutes, it's putting a bit of heat out. The oil's still raging. So you can feel a bit of heat, but the top ones haven't lit yet. After 30 minutes, you can see the top ones are going grey, and it's ready to be poured on top of the camp oven. I placed the briquettes there first, then I'll separate some down to the bottom. By the way, the lamb's already in the camp oven. I'll show you that in the next video. So you put a few on the bottom. I've got 3 rocks there too to keep the camp oven up. And just spread them out to your own desires on the top, and put the camp oven into the fireplace, and your roast should start cooking. Thanks for watching YouTubers. In the next video we'll actually cook a roast lamb. Try and keep it pretty short. About 3 or 4 minutes we'll do a roast lamb, so you can see the rest of the process in that video, and I'll do a bit of review on the 10-inch steel camp oven too. See you then.